that we will be able to share as far as drug activity is concerned. Ang medyo ko tayo drug release sa municipal levels. Ibig sabihin, makapunta na natin yung ating drug activity level sa mga barangay level natin. So hopefully, so we're here at we will go to municipality will be here at the drug municipality. Hindi madali ang laban natin sa ilang nagawa. Nag-start ng 2016 ang ating all-out and it's 9 years or almost 8 years since we started this as a group. We did this for so many years now. Pero this as a presentation of this present administration in Iowa. Marami tayo kailangan gawin tayo problema. And I learned that I think that's few days ago. $6.5 billion more sa buong ating Labrador. Ibig sabihin, mayroon ang makakatawa regarding illegal drugs. And kung ito sinabi that these illegal drugs will again discriminate because of the effort of the PNP, the LGO, the arrested and these illegal drugs, ilang buhay na mga kaya at ilang buhay na kaya because of this illegal drugs.